it. Little International 37 disc.
Yep.
Little International 37 disc. Lot number 25. And you can give us $2,000. And you can give $1,000. $1,000, $200, $300, $3. And you get three to bid.
Yep.
And you get four, $5, $5. All right, now lot 14 is a hearse trailer. That's good, Marianne, right there. Oh my, to give it there, buying a hearse trailer. Now take it again, heavy load trailer. Oh my, to give it there, somebody get 5,000. I'm gonna buy town with the ramps. I'm gonna buy town, daddy, get 5, get 2. I'm $1,000, 12 and a half. I'm a town, daddy, get 12, 12 and a half. Now 15, now 17 and a half, and now 2. I'm a 22 and a half. I'm gonna do town, daddy, get 22, 2 and a half. I'm gonna 22, do you get 2 and a half? I'm gonna get 22, 2 and a half, 5. I'm a 25, 5 to bid. I'm a 25, daddy, get 7 and a half. Now 3, 32 and a half. I'm a 35, 37 and a half. I'm a 37 and a half. I'm a 35, 37 and a half. Now 4. I'm a divorce town, daddy, get 4, 4 to bid. Now 2 and a half. I'm a 42, 2 and a half. I'm a divorce town, daddy, get 42, 2 and a half. I'm a divorce town, daddy, get 42. Do you want to get 2 and a half? I'm another bit of bone in. I'm at a 42, 2 and a half. Heavy trailer. Now 5, 45, 45. A heavy trailer, 45. I'm at a 45. No title with it. How? 45. I'm at a 42 and a half. 45. I'm at look at the weight loaded to hold. 45. I'm at a 45, 45, 45. Did you get 42 and a half? 45. I'm at a 45. Did you get 45? I'm at a 2 and a half. 5. I'm at a 45, 45. I'm at a 42 and a half. 45. I'm at a 45. Did you get 2 and a half? And now 5. Do you want to get 43? 43. Do you want to try that one time? 43. How? 43. Does he want to get that? I'm at a 42 and a half. 43. I'm at a 42 and a half. And now 3. 3 to bid. I'm at a 43. Do you want to get 3? Do you want to get 3? Do you want to get 43? And another bit of bone in. 43. Sold it your way, Hal. 42, 50, 49, number 49. We'll sell the trailer, then I'll sell the wood. The wood does sell separate. The wood does sell separate. All right, you're buying a homemade trailer. You're buying a homemade trailer, no title. All right, right here. Take it again to buy an Nixonite there. $4,250 on that one right there. You see it? All right, right here. Now take it again to buy an Nixonite there. Buy the trailer, then you buy the wood. Oh my, to give it there. Now take it again. $1,000 on the trailer. I'm a $1,000. Everybody get 500. I'm at a 500. Everybody get 500 to bid. I'm at a 500. Everybody get 5 to bid. I'm at $100 now 2 to bid. I'm at $1 now 2. I'm at $100. Everybody get 2 to bid. I'm at 100. Everybody get 2 and everybody get 1 now 2 to bid. I'm at 100 now 2. I'm at 100 now 2 to bid. I'm at 100. Everybody get 200. I'm at 200. Everybody get 2. Do you want to get 100 and a half? I'm at 100 and a half. I'm at 100 and a half. Do you want to get 1? Do you want to get 150? Do you want to do it? I'm at 100 and a half. I'm at 100. Everybody get 1 and a half. I'm at 100. Everybody get 1 and a half. Do you want to get 150 on the trailer? I'm at 100 and a half. I'm at 100. I got 100 on the floor. Got 100 and a quarter. 100 and a half. I got 100 and a quarter. 100 and a half. 100 and a quarter, 100 and a half. I'm at 150. Do you want to get 125, 150, 175? I'm at 175 now, 2 to bid. I'm at 200. Other bid to get 2 now, quarter. I'm at 200 and a quarter. I'm at 200 and a quarter. I'm at 200. Other bid to get 2 and a quarter. I'm at 200. Other bid to get 225. I'm at 200 now, 25. I'm at 225. Do you want to get 25? Other bid to get 2. Do you want to get 25? Other bid to get 2. Do you want to get 25? Where? Sold it. $200. You got her bought on the trailer. $200. Internet 15. What is it?
118.
118 the buyer. 118. Now the wood is not online, right? Okay. Offline on the ash wood. Offline on the wood. Now take it again. Somebody get 500. $100 and a half. I'm at a 100 and a quarter. I'm at a 100 and a quarter. Now 1 and a quarter. Do you want to get 1? Do you want to get 1 and a quarter? I'm at a 100 and a quarter. I'm at a 1 and a half. 175 and now 2 to bid. Now quarter. I'm at a 2 and a quarter on the wood. I'm at a 2 and a quarter. I'm at 200 and a quarter. I'm at a there's got to be more than a cord on there. 225. I'm at 225. I'm at 225. Do you want to get 225? I'm at 200 now. 25. Do you want to get 2? Do you want to get 25? I'm at to get 25. I'm at 200. I'm at to get 2 and a quarter. I'm at 200. I'm at to get 2. And it was inside. It was stored inside 2 and a quarter. I'm at 200 and a quarter to bid. I'm at 225. Do you want to get 25? I'm at to get 225 and a half. I'm at 2 and a half. I'm at 2 and a half. Half to bid. Jamie, give 2 and a half. 235. Do you want to do that? 235. I'm at 2 and a quarter. Do you want to get 35? I'm at to get 235. I'm at 2 and a quarter. Do you want to get 235? I'm at 2 and a quarter. Do you want to get 35? 235. Sold it. 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter. Write it on some of the wood. Bidder number is 102, the buyer. 102, pull up a little bit, Marianne. Lot 16. We got another two-wheel home-built trailer. Oh my, take it right there. Now take it again, about an Nixonite here. Here we get there. Now take it again, about it there. Oh my, take it here. Here we get there. Did we get now, about an Nixonite there. Did we get now, somebody get 300. I'm a 300. I'm going to get 3 for the bid. I'm a 300. I'm going to get 3. Give 100. I'm at a 100 and a quarter. I'm at a 1 and a quarter on the trailer and a half. I'm at a 1 and a half. 175 and now 2. 200. I'm going to get now quarter. Now 2 and a half. 75 and now 3. Now half. 4. Did we get 4? 4 and a half. Thank you. Now 5. I'm at 500. Now 600. I'm at 500. I'm going to get 550. I'm going to get 550. I'm at at 500 in. You want to get 5 1/4, 5 1/4, 5 1/2. I'm at 5 1/4, demon to get 550. I'm at 5 1/4, demon to get 5 1/2. Another to get 550. 5 1/4, demon to get 5 1/2. I'm at 5 1/4, demon to get 5 1/2. I'm at 5 1/4, demon to get 5 1/2. Another to get 5 1/4, demon to get 5 1/2. Another to get 550. Sold it to you, ma'am. 5 1/4, 69. 69. Now we're up to lot 17. Got a wagon with the factory running gear, 14 foot right here. Then I'll sell the wood. Oh my, I'm buying the wagon only. I didn't even get now buying the Nixon at 10. Somebody get $1,000. I'm a 200 now 3 to bid. I'm a 2 and now 3 on the wagon only. I'm a 200 other bid to get 3 to bid. Now 4. I'm a 400 other bid to get 4 to bid. I'm a 400 other bid to get 40. I'm gonna get 40. I'm gonna get 3 and a half 4. Now 4. Now 4. 400 and a half. I'm a 400 and a half 5 to bid. I'm gonna get 5. Now 6. 600 other bid to get now 600 other bid to get now 550. I'm at 5 and a half. You want to get 550. I'm at 550. Mike, you want to get 550? Do you want to get 5 and a half? I'm at 500 and a half. I'm at about, you want to get 5 and a half. I'm at to get 550 on the wagon. 500 and a half. I'm at 500 and a half. I'm at about, you want to get 5 and a half. You want to get 5. You want to get 5 and a half. I'm at to get 550. Sold it. $500. You got it, boss. $500. And the bid number is 94. Now we'll sell the wood. Now we're selling the wood. All right, 100 and a quarter. Now half. 100 and a half, 75. Now 200 and a quarter. I'm going to do 100 now, 2 and a quarter. I'm going to do 100 and a quarter. Now half. I'm a 2 and a half. Even to get 250. I'm a 2 and a quarter. That's where I'm at. 2 and a quarter. Even to get 2 and a half. I'm going to get 2 and a quarter. Even to get 250. I'm a 225. I'm a 2 and a quarter. Even to get 225. I'm a 2 and a quarter. Even to get 2. Even to get 25. Even to get 225. I'm a 225. I'm a 2 and a quarter. Even to get 50. Even to get 250. Sold it 2 and a quarter. $225. Number 90. Number 90. Now we're ready for lot 18. Lot 18 right here. Take it again to buy the Nixon right here. Here we get there now. What are you going to do here? Oh my, take it there now. Somebody get 500. That's good, Marianne. $500, $100 and a quarter. I'm at 100 and a quarter now. Quarter to the get 1 a quarter on this wagon here. 1 a quarter now. Quarter now. Half. 175 and now 2. 2 and a half now 3. Did you get 3? Did you get 3? Did you get 300 and a half? I'm a 3 and a half. I'm a 3 and a quarter. Did you get 3? 3 and a quarter. I'm a 300 and a quarter now. Did you get 3? 3 and a quarter. I'm a 325 and a half. I'm a 3 and a half. Did you get 3 and a half? Did you get 375? Did you get 375? I'm a 350, 375. I'm a 350, 375. Did you get 75? Did you get all in? I'm a 350, 375. Did you get 75? Did you get 350, 375 all in and all done. Sold it $350. Bidder number is 15. What is it? 153. 153. 153. Lot 19 right here. Lot 19. Oh my, got a factory running here. Right here. 200 and a quarter. I'm a 200 and a quarter. I'm going to do 25. 2 and a quarter. I'm going to do 100. I'm going to get 2 and a quarter. I'm going to do 100. I'm going to get 2 and a quarter. I'm a 200 and a quarter. I'm going to do 25 on another wagon. I'm going to do 100. I'm going to get 2 and a quarter. I'm going to do 100. I'm going to get 2 and a quarter. I'm a 2 and a quarter. 2 and a half. Now 75. How? Now 3. Now quarter. I'm a 3. 3 and a quarter. I'm a 3 and a quarter. Moody. I'm going to get 3 and a half. I'm a 3 and a quarter. I'm going to get 3 and a half. I'm a 3 and a quarter. I'm going to get 3 and a half. I'm going to get 350. Now 75. 4. I'm a 375. Now 4 to bid. I'm a 375. I'm going to get 40. I'm going to get 400. I'm going to get now quarter. I'm at 400 and a quarter. I'm at 400 and a quarter. Now even to get 40. I'm going to get 25. I'm going to get 40. I'm going to get 4 and a quarter. I'm at 400 and a quarter. I'm at 400 and a quarter. Now even to get 40. I'm going to get 425. Now even to get 40. I'm going to get 25. I'm going to get 425. I'm at 400 and a quarter. I'm at 400 and a quarter. Now even to get 425. 450. How? 450. I'm at 450. 450. Even to get 450. Even to get 425. Now even to get 40. I'm going to get 50. And I'm going to get 450. Sold it $425. One. Yeah. All right, buying the Mayrath auger. Now you got to get down on the $100. $100. Now 2. I want to get Hey Bob, we'll give 100 a quarter. Hey guys, the auger, the fighting's pretty good in it. It's not all wore out. Number 6.
I knew that's where it was going to go.
Now you got a two bottom plow, little genie. Yep.
Little genius.
bottom plow here. $1,000. $500, that what he said? 555. And if I would have been 500. I got it a heavy there. I got to be 2. And you can do
and it is at 212, Hal.
How much is it? It's got nice tips on it.
300. 300.
Little Genius, meant for range. Can you follow the natures?
Yeah!
How you doing?
I heard your voice.
Back in the day. What are you asking?
300.
Yeah.
Yep! 3.5. 3.25. 3.25. 3.25. Yep! 375. You better hit it one more time. Yep! 400. Want to get 85?
There's more than one step done.
Yeah, everybody's begging me.
He said no. 95. Yeah, 95.
No, I'm not. I was encouraging you.
Yep, you got a Leon rock picker. Hey, Hal. Got the dump forks and a hydraulic dump too. Yep.
It'll save you a lot of time.
Help.
Already got that one rock on my farm. Still not bad.
800. 800.
My boys picked up a lot.
Now $1,000.
They go, Dad, you made us pick up rocks. I was out there picking them up with them.
Yeah.
95. 95. Number 6 on the auger.
Just wait until I tell Lou, because I told him we're going to an auction, you know, because Finn needs some more tractors.
What are you saying? Oh, you're wrong.
Something like that.
And that's what you want. You want a whole bunch of Farmall.
249 571. Where does it go to, Hal? Where does it go to?
Sandusky, Ohio.
Okay, that's all I want to know. Okay. Yep. Now you're on a. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, you're on the wood.
I'm sorry.
Hey, Hal, hold on a minute. Is a guy out here that bought the 284 International?
284 International, are you out here? $300, $400?
Because Mike, when we sold that tractor, that was with the tractor. That was with the tractor. Because you and I unhooked. It just is what it is. It's with the mower today. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Metal and stuff.
127.
127.
127.
Now we're up to the land fried.
Yep.
Got a land fried rotary mower.
10 foot.
Looks like the right.
Hey, Hal, and it's pretty nice.
That nice mower sound gonna here. Give us $10,000. And $2,000. $3,000. And $3 to bid now.
25.
What'd you say?
25.
25 free.
Yep.
3 to bid now. 3 to get up. 3 to bid.
Yep.
35 now. $500. And now get 30 now. 5 now. $3,000. $3,500.
Yep.
4 to bid. 4 to get out. 4 to get
4,000.
I
took it over here. That'd be 4,000.
I'm a 35.
Yep.
Now 45. Now 45. And you get 4.
Yep.
45 and now $5,000.
5,000. Yep. Hey, Hal. Hey, Hal. It's 12,000 new, just so they know.
55, $6,000. I'm a 6 to bid. You want to do it? I'm going to get $6,000. And you get 6 to bid. And you get 57 and a half.
I'll get 57 and a half. 57 and a half. Yep.
That was $6,000. And you get 6 to bid. 57 and a half. $6,000. $6,000. $6,000. I'm 57 and a half. You get 6 to bid. I'm going to get $6,000. Now you can say they get 30. You want to get $6,000. I'm 57 and a half. 6 times you get 6. I'm a 6 to bid. So you get $6,000. 57 and a half. You get 6. And you get 6 to bid. $6,000. Sold at $57.50.
161.
161 is the buyer. 161. I got a good little International 37 disc.
Yep.
Got a little International 37 disc. Lot number 25. And you can give out, so they get 2,000, you get 2. And you get $1,000. I have $1,000, $200, $300, $300, you get 30, you get 30, you get 30. And you get 3 to bid.
Yep.
You get 4, 5, $500, $5. I have you get 6 to bid, $600, $500, you get 6 to bid, 5 and 6, you get 7, and now 7. And you get 7 to bid, 7. How much you get now 7 to bid, $600. And you get 7. And you get 7 to bid.
Hey, Hal, it's nice.
Pretty good little disc, guys. $700. And you get 7 to bid. And you get now 7. And you get 7 to bid. And you get 7 to bid. $700. Now you get 7. I'm 7. Better disc than that, guys.
It is. It is.
We sold one for $17.50.
Correct. 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah. This one's got a hydraulic cylinder on it.
Hydraulic cylinder, no.
Yep.
6.5, 650, 650, 6.5.
Got the rocks.
And you got some rocks to go with it.
650. I'm having to bid 600. 650. Sold at $600.
21.
21. Now you got an international drill. Find a little international, or McCormick drill, I guess it should say.
Rope trip.
Rope trip, McCormick drill. Trying to get here, right there, to get 500, to get 5. I'm having to bid 5, to get 2, to get 200, to get 100. I'm having to bid, to get on down, you get $50.
I have $10.
$10, $20, $50, $60, gonna be 60. Think you're gonna be 60, got 50 on the internet, $60.
He will.
60, 70, and now 70, Bell Fountain, $70. And you get 70, set it in, and you get 70, set it in, $60, now 70. And you get 70, set it in, 70, you get 80, hit it in, 80, now 80, gotta be 80, Dickie. And you get 80, hit it in, now 80, hit it in, now 70, you gotta get 90, 90, 90. And you get 90, 90, 90, and you get 80, 90, 90, and you get 90, now 90, 90, $80, $100. And you gotta get 90, 90, and you gotta get now 100, you gotta get on, down $100, Dickie, if you want. I'm having to bid, you get on, to bid.
95.
95, now 100, Bell Fountain, gonna be $100. I'm a 95, you have to get on, now 10, 110. I want to get 10, to get 10, to bid, to get out 10, 10, want to get on, to get out 10, now want to get 10. And you get 10 to bid once, Bell Fountain, you're out. Got 100 in Sandusky, gonna be 110. I want to get 10, to get 10, 10 to bid, 100 to get out 10, 10, want to get on, to get out 10, now want to get 10. And you get 10, 10 to get on 20, now 20, 20 to bid, 1 to get 20. And you get on, 20 to bid, 110 to get on, to get 10 to get on, 20 to bid, to get on, 20 to bid, 110 to get out 20, now want to get on, 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 get 20, then you get 20. And you get 20, 20 to bid, 110, then you get 20, 20 to bid, 110, 120, then 20 down, then you get 20, down, then you get 20. And you get 20, 20 to bid, 110 down, then you get 20, 20 to bid, 110 to get 20, 20 to bid, 110 to get 20. Sold at $110 on the internet. 182064. 182064. Now I get a little international cultivator.
4-row.
A little 4-row set of cultivators. Okay, did it get 2 right there now? So they get 500, did it get on, so they get on to go, they get on, did it get 2. And you get 2 to bid, you get $50, 75, 50, 75. You get 50, 50 down, 25, down 50. And you get 50, 50 to bid, and you get, sir, do you want to get 50 to get 50? And you get 50, 50 to bid, now there, down, and you get 50, to get down 75, now 75, to get 75, now 60, 75. Sir, did you get 75? I'm a 60 now, and you get 75, to get 85, now 85, to get that one, now hold it on. And you get, do you want to get 90, sir? $90, 85 to get 90. And you get 85 to get 90 to bid, 85 to get 90, 90 to bid, 85 to get 90, now 85 to get 90. And you get 90 to bid, 85, and now $90, now how to get down, and you get 90, now 90 to bid, 85 to get 90, 90 to bid, now 90, now 90 to get 85 to get 90, 90 to bid, 85 to get 90, now 90. Sold at $85, number 6.
Number 6.
Got a little hair now.
Lot 28 is a hair.
Lot 28, little drag hair.
It's a Remingler hair, but it's got aftermarket stuff
it's been added
to
to.
it. Yeah.
Got a Remingler that's been added to. Yeah, updates. There you go. All right, get down. About it there. Give out $500. Give $100. If you get $50, and you get 50. Instead of get 50, you get 25, 10, 20, $20, 30. To get 40, you get 50, 50, 50 to get 60.
Yeah.
Then now $70. Now 70.
Yeah.
And you get 80. Hit it a bit. 80, hit it a bit. Now 80, 90. Now 90. And you get 90 to bid, 80, 90 to bid, now 90, now and you get 90. And you get 90 to bid, 80, 90 to bid, now 90, now 80, 90 to bid, and you get 90. And you get 90 to bid, 80, 90 to bid, and you get 90, now 90, now 90 to bid, 80, now 90. Sold at $80 down here. 125, thank you, sir, 125. Now we got the fuel tank. Oh, buying a fuel tank. All right, here, so they get 500, they get down, they get down, they get 2, and they get 2 to bid, so they get 50, 25, 50, and they get 50 to bid, 20, but they get 50, but they get 50 to bid, 20, but they get 50, now they get 50, they get 75, now 100. I am having a bid, 1, no, 1 to bid, they get 1, and a quarter, I want to get a quarter. I am 1 and a quarter to bid, they got to get a quarter now, I want to get a quarter now, I want to get a quarter. I am 1 and a quarter to bid, I want to get a quarter now, I want to get down, they get down 25, now I want to get down, they got to get down 10, I want to get 10, and you get 10 to bid, 110. Sold at $100. Market steady on those. 71. Number 71.
Offline, Hal, you got cultivator wrenches.
Offline, you got a cultivator wrench. Buying a cultivator.
There's several of them.
Oh, there's several of them. Got wrenches.
There's 4 of them.
4 of them. All right, there, they get 2, right there, so they get 50, they get 25, give 10, and they get 10, they get 5, they get $5. I'm having to bid, they get 5, 10, gonna be 10. Now, they get 15, they get 15, 10, now they get $15. I'm 15, but they get 15, they get 10 here, 15, they get 15, 10, they get 15, now they get 15. Sold them $10. You got it. What's that bid number?
84.
84. Bid number 84. Now we're back on track. Now I got another fuel tank. Lot number 30. I'll buy the fuel tank. Now little fuel tank there. Now we get here.
With the pump.
And the pump. Now they get 50. Get 25. Get 25. 25. 10. 20. And they get 20. Started the bid. And they get 20. Started the bid. And they get 20. Started the bid. And they get 20. Now 20. Get 20. And they get 20. Started the bid. 10. 10. 20. Started the bid. And they get 20. Now 20. Now 20.
He's already got that. 15.
15. 20.
Yep.
Now 5.
Yep.
Now 30. Now 30. And you get 30. 30. That's 25. And now 30. I got 25 ahead of them. It's going to be 30. And you get 30. 20. Now 30. 20 to get out. 30. I'm $25 now. You get 30. 20 to get out. $25.
163. 163.
163.
Hal, you got a fuel tank with an electric pump on it.
Got a fuel tank with an electric pump. Lot number 31. Somebody get $500. I have it. $500. $500. Get a quarter. I'm on quarter to bid. Get a quarter. Now get a quarter. I'm on quarter to bid and a half. I'm going to quarter, 1 and a half, quarter and a half, 1 and a half, 1 and a half, 1 and a half.
Yep.
And now quarter.
Yep.
2 quarter, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 250.
Yeah.
2 and a half, 75, 275, 2 and a quarter, 275, 275, 275.
Yeah.
Now 3 to bid.
Yeah.
Quarter. Now to get a quarter. Now to get a quarter. I'm at 3 quarter to bid. They're going to get a quarter now. Quarter. They're going to get now half. They're going to be half that. I'm at 3.
Yep.
They're going to get 75.
Yep.
They're going to get 4. Now to get 4. I'm 4 1/4, so you got it, you know, half, and it is 4 1/4, 4 1/2, I'm 1/4, half, and it is 4 1/2, 4 1/4, 4 1/2. Sold it, $425.
146.
146, 146.
Now you're up to the backhoe, Hal.
I got a backhoe.
3-point backhoe.
40 backhoe. Buying a Kelly backhoe. And you get 3 times, and you get 3. And you get 3 to bid. And you get 2,000, and you get $1,000. And you get £1,000 a bid. $200, $300. And you get 3, and you get 4, and you get no more, 4, and you get $100, and you get $100. I'm out of the bid, 3 now, and you get $100, and you get $4, and you get 4 now, and you get
Hey, Hal.
Yeah.
It's a Kelly, not a wood. It's a Kelly.
It's a Kelly, yeah, Kelly backhoe. $300, $400.
3.5.
3.5 and now 4.
Yeah.
Now half, 4 1/2, 4, 4, 50.
Yeah.
You get 5. 5,
Yeah.
5, now half, 5 1/2. I get half. I'm the 5, I get 5, 5 1/2. I get half now. I get
Partner in the truck.
5 1/2. You get 5 1/2. 5, 5, 5. You get down. You get half. I get half. And you get half. You get down. You get 5, 5, 5 1/2. I get 5 now. Half now. I get the deed. And you get half. You get down. You get 5, 5, 5 1/2. 550. Sold it. $500.
34, Hal.
34. The number is 34.
Now you got a 3-point sprayer, Hal.
Now I get a 3-point sprayer.
With the pump.
With the pump, I have a 3-point sprayer and a pump. Oh, I get 3 times that I can do. And I can do.
Hey,
$600.
44 is the buyer, not 34. 44.
Yeah, not 34, 44.
44 on the backhoe.
On the backhoe. Now you're buying the sprayer, guys. $500.
Yeah.
$600. You gotta be 6. It's looking heavy, Dad. $600. I'm 5, 6,
Yeah.
6, 7.
Yep.
Down, down.
Yep.
Now 8. And you get
Yeah.
8, now 9, now 9.
Yeah.
Now 1,000.
Yeah.
Get on 11, 12 and a half. Down, get on 12, then you get 11. Then you get 11, then you get 11, then you get 11, then you get 11. Now let you get 11. And you get 11.
Yeah.
Let you get 11. Get down, 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 get down. And you get 11, 11, 11, 11, get down, down, let you get down, down, get down, 12 now, and you get 12. And you get 11 on a good sprayer, guys. $11, $12. And you get 11, 11, get the 12 now, 12, get down, 12, get down, get 12. And you get 11, 11, 11, and you go 11 now, 12, get down, $12. Sold it $1,100.
205.
205.
205. 205.
Yep. Can you be offline for just a minute?
Yeah, we can be on
Okay.
4 and 5.
Choice out of 5 tanks.
Choice out of 5 tanks. Find choice out of 5 tanks. Find choice out of tanks. All right, $100. I'm on the bid, then take a 15.
10.
$10, $20. And you get
Already got that. Give it 20. 30. He's ahead of 30. Yeah. Yes. Yep. 50.
Now 40, 40, 50, now 40, you can get 45, 40, 40, get a 5. And you get 40, 40, 40, get down, you get 5, 40, get a 5, 40,
We'll take them all.
40, 40, get down, you get 5, 40, get 5. And you get 40, get down, you get 40, 45, you get 40, get down, you get 40, get down,
We'll do it.
get down, you get 40, get 45. Sold it, $40.
27 times 5.
Times 5.
Yep.
7 times 5.
Feed grinder, right?
It is a feed grinder, yeah.
This,
Yeah, it is a grinder.
It's a hammer mill or a burr mill or whatever
Burr
you
mill,
want to
yeah,
call
there
it.
you go. All right, buying a mill. All right, and then you get down.
It's either a burr mill or a crimper.
Burr mill or a crimper. Then you get 500 out of get 2. And you get 2 to base. And you get 200 out of get 100. I have 500 base. Then you get 500 out of 100. Then you get $50. 50, 25, 50, 50, 75. Get negative 75. 75, 50, 75. 50 now, then you get 75 now, then you get 75 now, 50 get 75. No, I got max. 50 to get 75, you get 60, $60, 60, you get 75, 75 now, 85, gonna be 85. 85, 85 now, 85 to get down, then you get 85 now, 85 and you get 85 now, 85 to get 85, sold at $80 max, number, or it was 70, wasn't it, Max? I'm sorry, it's $70, I said it wrong. $70, number 82. $70, number 82. Now we got a little tank on the
That's 35. What is the next number?
lot 35.
Oh, it is 35?
Yeah.
Next number? Okay, we're good.
That's good, Mike.
Okay, we're good. Yep.
Okay, lot 34, you got a skid, tank,
Yep, and pump. Yep.
All right.
Over.
Get down. So get 5, get 5, get down. Get 100. Get 2. And get 2 to the bit. 25, 50. And get 50, get 50, get 20, get 50, get down. Get 50 now. 20, get 50. And get 50, get a bit now. Dick, you okay? 25, 50. Oh, $50. 10, 20. $20, then you get 20 down, 30,
Yep.
30, 40, and now 40, and you get 40, put it in, and you get 40, put it in, and you get 40 down, 30, and you get 40, and you get 40, and you get 40, put it in, 30, 35 in, and you get 40, put it in, 30, 35 in, 30, get 40, $40 down, 40, put it in, sold it, $30.
6.
Number 6, come on, Belt Mountain.
Now you got a tank with a trailer.
Now I've got a tank and a trailer. Buy the tank and the trailer here. Now I'll give out $200, give 100. I'm in a bid now. Get on, 10, 20. And you get 20, 20 to bid, 10, 10, 20, 20 to bid, 20 get up, then you get 30, 30 to bid, 30 down, then you get 30, then you get 40. And you get 40, 40 to bid, 30 down, then you get 40, 40 to bid. Belt Mountain, do you want in 40, 50? And you get 50, 50 to bid, 50, 50 to bid, 40 get up, 50. You're gonna get 45. I'll take that from you, Dickie. 45 now, 50 Belt Mountain, $50. 50, and you get 50, down 50, 40, and you get 50, now and you get 50, and you get 50, now 5, 55, 50, and you get 5, and you gotta get out, you get 5, and you gotta get 5, and you get a 5 down, then you get 5, and you get 55 down, and you get a 50, 55, 55, you gonna do it? 55, 60. Now gonna be 60 Belt Mountain, $60, and now 60, and now 60, and you get 30, now you get 60, now 30, now you get 60, now you get 60. So $55, number 6.
Number 6.
$55, number 6.
What's next?
I think it's the cultivators, isn't it?
Cultivators?
Yeah. Lot 37, last item online, set of cultivators.
You got it set up.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, mounted set of cultivators. All right, so you get $2, and you get $100. I'm on now, I'm going to now, and you get 25, 10, 20.
Hey, Hal, there's a rear gang that goes to it.
Yeah, the rear gang is over here. $10, $20, 20, gotta be internet, gotta be 20. I was 10 on the floor, $20. And you gotta get up $20, then you gotta get 30 down, then you gotta get 10, you're out to 40. And you get 40, then you get $50, then you get 50, now 60, now $60, now you get 60, and now $70, now 70, now 70, 70, then you gotta get 80, and you get 80, headed a bit, and 80, headed a bit, now 70, now 80, now 70, get 80, and you get 80, headed a bit, 70, down, you get 80, headed a bit, now 80, then 80, now you get out, then you get 80, headed a bit, now 80, headed a bit, 70, down, so you get out,
75.
75, and now 80, and you get 80, headed a bit, now, then you gotta get out, you get 80, headed a bit, 75, you get 80, and you get 80, headed a bit, then you gotta get out, 80, now 80, headed a bit, 75, get down, you get 80, headed a bit, 30, you wanna get 80? Does he want to do it? 80 now, 5, 50, 85. 80, 85, and you get 80, 85 a bit, now 5, now 5, 80, now $90. And you get 90 a bit, 80, then you gotta get 90 a bit, so it's $85, number 6. Number 6. You want to catch the scales real quick, Dad?
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
That is, yeah, that does include the internet portion of the sale.
You can
Thank
just
you,
keep
Internet
selling
Buyer.
right there. We got stuff up along the barn there. You can sell from right there too. You got platform scales, Hal?
Buying the scales, buying choice out.
Yeah, you
Buying
know
choice out.
what? The one's got warped wood on it. Sell,
Okay.
Just sell them
We're gonna
together.
sell you both of them for one money. Give $200, give 100, and they get 50, and they get 50, and they get 50, and they get 25, and they get 20, and they get 10, and they get 10, 10, 10, and they get 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, they get a 5 now, 5, 5, $5, 2, $1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Give it to 4, man. 30 get 4, 4, 5. And now 5, 4 to get on, 5 to get on, then you got to get on, to get a 5 now, 4 to get 5. And you get 4 to get a bid, 4, 4, 5 in the bid, 4 to get a 5 now, 4 to get a 5 now, 4, 4, 5 in the bid, 4 to get a 5. Sold it, $4.
Number.
Easy getting it. 35, bid number 35. Mike,
Now,
can you
back
back me
up,
up?
Mike. Yep.
Yeah. Before we go into the loader.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does not.
Buying the loader. Oh, buying the loader there. Now, what are you going to do? Give out. Somebody can $200, give 100, and you get 50. And you get 25.
On the loader, in the
On the loader,
right
get
here.
25, $10, $20, $20.
That's good, Mike.
10, 20, and you get only started the bid, and you get only started the bid, 10, get 20, and you get only started the bid, 10, 10, 20 down, and you get 30, started the bid, 30, get 30, and you get 40, 40, and you get 40, and you get 40, 40 to the bid, and you get 40, get on, you get 40, 40, and you get 40, 40 to the bid, and you get 40 down, and you get on, and you get 40, and you get 40, 40 to the bid, and you get 40, 40 to the bid, and you get 40 down, 30 down, and you get 40, 40 to the bid, 30 to 40 down, 40, 40 to the bid. Sold it, $30, number 6. $30, number 6.
Now you got a bucket,
Now
Hal.
you a little scoop, don't you? A little bucket.
Well, it probably,
Like a backhoe
it may
bucket,
fit
what it
that
looks like.
Kelly, I don't know.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like the same, it doesn't look like the same hookup on the top.
Okay.
Maybe that's what
you got
it
a
had
bucket.
it for.
Now I got a bucket. So to get out, 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 give out 2, to get 100, to get 50.
torch and a welder, and you can have it.
Torch and water, yep. So to get 50, to get 25, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, gonna be 40, sir. 40, 50. I am 40, gonna be 50, Dickie. 40, get 50. And you get 50, put it in. 40, 40, get down, get 50, put it in, get a 50. Now 40, get 50. And you get 50, put it in. 40, 40, 50, put it in. 40, get down, you get 50, put it in. 40, 40, 50, put it in. 40, get a 50, 40, 50. Sold it. $40. 35. Bid number 35.
Okay, back up a little more, Mike.
On back, Mike.
Got 2 gates, Al.
Got 2 wood gates. Oh, by the piece. And to get 100, to get 50.
Those are actually
That's
nice
good,
gates.
Mike. Good wood gates. So to get 50, get 25. I'm going to
Sell
get
by the piece, or
yeah, by the piece. By the piece.
Okay.
So to get 50, 25. And to get 10. Pretty good wood gates. 10, 20.
Yeah.
20, 30. 30. You want to get 25, man. 20, get 5. Oh, better than that. 20, get 5. I am having it in. 20, get 5. 20, get 5. You get 25, 25 to get 30, and to get 30, 30, 30, get down, to get 30, 30, 30, to get 30, 30, to get 20, to get down 30, and to get 30, 30, 30, to get 30, and to get 30, 30, 30, now 30, now 5, 35, 35, sir, 30, get 5, 30 to 5, and to get 30, get 30, get down, to get 40, get 40, now 40, 40 to bid, 30, to get 40, now 40, and to get 40, 40 to bid, to get 30, to get 40, 40 to bid, to get 30, to get down 40, now 40, 40 to bid, to get 30, to get 40, get down 40, to get 30, to get 40, get down 40, to get 30, to get 40, sold it, $35.
Times
Number
2.
141, times 2.
One of both.
Yeah, times 2.
Now you got a blade for a truck.
Buying a truck blade, buying a snow blade. Buying a Meyer snow blade.
Yeah.
All right, to get here, there. Get 500, to get 5, get 5, to get 2. And to get 2 to the base, and to get $200, give 100. Down 1.
25.
25, 50. Down $50. And to get 50, to the bid, 20, to get 50, to the bid, 20, to get 50. Down to get 35. Down to 20, to get 30, 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 to get 40, 40, to get 40, to get 50. Down $50. I 40 to get 50, to get 50, to get 50, to get 50. Down 40 to get 50, to get now $60. $60, $60. Now $70. Now 70, to get 70. And to get 70, and to get 70, 70 to bid, and to get 70, 70 to bid, and to get 70, 70 to bid. Now 60 to get now 70. And to get 70, 70 to bid, and 60 to get 70. Sold it. $60.
154.
154. 154.
Got a sprayer boom, Al.
Got a sprayer boom. Buying a sprayer boom. So to get 50, get 25, 10, 20. 10 to get 20, and to get 20, 30 to bid, 10 to get 20, 30 to bid, 10 to get 20, 30 to bid, 10 to get 20, now 20.
It's making a noise out.
Yeah, it's in here too. 10, 20.
Okay.
It's when I switch the microphones for some reason. 10 to get 20, get the 20, and to get 20, 30 to bid, 10 to get 20, 30 to bid, to get the 20, now 20 to get 20, and to get 20, 30 to bid, 10, 10, 20, 20, to get 15. I got Dickie at 10. I thought 15, 20, Dickie. 15. 20, and to get 20, and to get 20, and to get 20, 30 to bid, 20, get 20, get 20, get 20, 20 to bid, sold it. $15.
You got it, Randy. What is it? 120.
120. Hi, Randy Benedict.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Randy.
Now you got a Sentry. You got a dandy of a barrel.
A real nice Sentry.
It's got a farm scene on it.
Farm scene on it. Sentry, what was it? Hydraulic oil? Is that what?
No, spray.
Oh,
Chemical.
spray, chemical. Okay. All right, nice Sentry barrel. Somebody get $500.
It's even got a, it was a barrel sprayer. That would have went.
Oh, that mounted to it.
It would have, back in the day. But it even has a picture of a man with a tractor on it.
I got a farm scene and everything.
Yeah.
So they get $200 and they get $100.
$5.
$5, $10, 5,
Yep.
10, 20, 15, 20, 20,
Yep.
20 get 5, 25, 20 get 5, now 30, 30, 30,
Yeah.
30, they get 40, 40, they get 40, 30, 40. $30,
Yeah.
$40, $50,
Yeah.
50, 60, and now 60,
Yeah.
now $70, now 70, 70,
Yeah.
get 80, get 80, get 80, and to get 80, get 80, now 90, now 90,
Yeah.
now 100. I am out of the bid, 1 1/4, 1 1/4,
Yeah.
1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 1/4, quarter, half, 1 1/2,
35.
135, 150. I am 135 to get the have bid, I have 135, 1 1/2, 1 1/2, 150. Hit about 500 if we started the sale with it.
It would.
150, 135, 1
Yeah.
1/2, now 75, 160, 155, 165,
165.
165. 165. You want to give 160, sir? 160. I am 160. 160. Sold it. $155.
57.
56. Was it Charlie?
57.
57.
Right,
Bid number
57.
57.
Yeah. 3-point blade, and yes, it was Charlie.
Hey, Marianne, John needs you. You got a blade now?
Yeah.
Buying a blade?
3-point blade.
I'll give 100. Maybe get 50. Get 20, 25, now 50, 35.
Yeah.
35, 35 to get 50. And to get 50, 30 to get 50. I'm a 30 to get 50, 50 now 75.
Yeah.
75 and 100. I'm to bid to get 85. I'll take out to give 85. 85.
Where you at?
Sold at $75. Market steady on
Where'd you go,
way.
Bob?
127.
127, is that what you said, Bob?
Yeah.
127.
Mike,
Marianne.
could you back up just a little bit?
Yeah, have him back
there.
up. 120. Watch out, guys. He's gonna back up. Charlie. Watch out.
Yeah, don't run over Charlie.
No.
Yeah, you're already spinning. He may have a mud run here going.
I don't either, no.
You better have him 4-wheel.
No, Mike, pull up. Mike, pull up.
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. You got it.
Pull up, you got
Never
it.
mind.
Up, back. Go ahead and back
Now,
up.
back on up. Watch out, guys.
Back on guys.
Get this on tape in case I get run over.
Still chance.
Okay, yeah, we got evidence.
Wheels the other way, Mike. There you go. No, right around. There you go.
Sideways.
Tell them right around. Right around.
Look out, she's still
Watch yourself, guys.